I was told that the old oven was having issues, so they purchased a new oven to replace it. The new oven arrived, and when it was plugged into the wall outlet, it tripped the breaker. I was sent 2 pictures of the plug that appeared to have scorch marks on them, which is indicative of arcing. I took the oven receptacle, also known as an outlet, out of the wall and made sure that the power coming in was correct with a voltage tester. The power was correct, and so then I tightened the connections down to the outlet and checked the power on the outgoing side of the outlet. Everything came back correct, so I assumed the issue may be with the oven. I took the back off the oven and found the issue. Brand new ovens are typically set up for a 3-wire connection. When a 4-wire connection is made, which is often by the individuals delivering the oven, the connection between the neutral and ground are cut in order to separate the ground and neutral for a 4-wire connection. It was cut in this instance. However, the copper piece that had connected the ground and neutral was bent up and was touching the black hot wire. This was causing it to arc when it was plugged in. I cut the piece of copper that had been bent into the hot wire, and that solved the problem. Thanks so much for watching.